Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel today I want to teach you this eggplant soup that is very good. Eggplant and vegetable. What you need is your red pepper and your eggplant with spinach. So I've cut all of them, ginger and onions. I put them inside my blender. You can use this soup to eat rice, you can use it to eat a fufu, you can use it to eat anything of your choice, garbage fufu, you can use it. So now I've finished blending it. I'm blending the second batch, so I pour them inside the pot because the meat is just fresh. Okay, so you can use chicken, you can use any meat of your choice. So I add onions to it. I'm going to be adding my spice to it. You can use any spice of your choice. So now I add chicken to it. This is very good. This is a scotch bonnet pepper, so I add it to it. It's very simple to make and it's very simple. This is crayfish, blended crayfish. I add it to it. So this is cinnamon and bay leaf with non-mangi cube. I add 2 to it. I took 3 but I add 2 to it. So I cover it. After some minutes, you see the way it's boiling. After 25 minutes, so my god, is done after 30 minutes. So guys, this is it. I leave it to cool down, but it's not yet cool, but I want to eat. I'm so eager to eat. So that is my full food there. I'm eating it with this eggplant, no oil. You can eat it with rice. If you're going on a low carb diet, this is the kind of soup you have to go. So it's very yummy and you will love it. This is the soup that you have not seen before that you will try. You will love it. So sweet and yummy. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.